Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Windows build, administrator access, and backed-up profiles. Once confirmed, open PowerShell as administrator to capture permission context. Next, run getExecution policy to see policy state so you know why scripts are blocked. If policy blocks you, set a temporary bypass with setExecution policy bypass scope process. This lets you test fixes without changing machine-wide settings. Make sure to note the original policy so you can restore it later. Once you have admin PowerShell, inspect modules with Get Module List available and check errors from Import Module. If modules fail, uninstall then install module from PS Gallery. Use force when versions conflict. Next, repair OS components using dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that break hosting for PowerShell. If compatibility issues persist, download and install PowerShell 7. It runs side by side and often resolves environment and module compatibility problems immediately. To finish, reset your profile by renaming $profile and restart PowerShell to confirm a clean environment. Then test common CMDlets and script execution. Use $error and get event log or event viewer to diagnose remaining faults. If problems remain, create a new administrator account to determine whether the issue is user-specific versus system-wide. One key troubleshooting tip: if modules still fail after all steps, capture exact error text and run install module force with allow clobber.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.